for cup garden. This is a follow-up on our saffron that was replanted, and they're starting to come up rather nicely. It is October 29th, and there's the front row and the back row. But of the ones that I didn't move, we're getting one flower, and there's some more buried in here. Hidden in here, sorry. Now, trying to figure out, it's a little bit of a wet morning. I would have rather preferred a sunny morning. Here's our flower. And inside should be our saffron. So I believe we are supposed to cut the flowers off. We can take that inside to get our saffron. So here we have our saffron, and I see 2 saffron strands in there. I believe there were 3, and I believe they were longer. I'll take a look at the pictures I had from earlier. Perhaps something got to them a little bit sooner than I could. But we're going to just pull those little saffrons out, the strands out, and dry them up. Just going to peel the petals back. I believe I can pinch them out. So there we have it. There were 3. And we'll just discard that. And hopefully more come up, although the season's probably close to finished. And see if we can get any more. Thank you for watching this quick update of the saffron experiment. If you like these videos, please subscribe, like, and feel free to leave a comment in the comment section.